Have this beautiful Civac saving machine, and it's really great one. It's still working nice. I got motor on it. I got one problem. It has no belt. I got belts. This belt right here, it's original. It's been repaired. It's around. This is something else I try use from another machine, and it's too big. So how we fix this problem, huh? Here's the idea. You got these guys right here, and what I found in my pile, it's from dollar store. I found this nice piece right here, that big, that is perfectly fit on this equipment. Just with one hand, not even paying much of a. Let's try it. So this is just idea. I'm guess you guys can use it any of those smaller ones. Maybe just like if you don't have it that wide, you put like 2 or 3 in a row. Let's try this one right here. I'll put on Taza. So we installed another one. It's orange. And of course it's working again. What I would strongly suggest to probably put maybe 2 or 3 smallest one.